Hi, I'm Paul Quinn. I help people at all levels of leadership to strategically create and confidently deliver presentations that connect with the audience so the listeners get it, they feel it, and act on it. Okay, here are my top 7 tips for a successful presentation, whether you're speaking to one person or 100 or more. Know your audience. Before you plan a presentation, what are your audience's interests, their needs, their goals? Don't know? Ask them. Asking shows respect for them, and it also ensures that you're going to have an on-target, perfectly relevant presentation. It's not enough to be the expert. How will you communicate what you know in ways that engage the audience and make them feel rewarded for their time and attention? Ensure the integrity of your content. What facts, data, examples, and evidence do you need to truly be credible? Tell a story. What stories can you conversationally share that really make the case for your product, services, or expertise? A story I tell is that for a single sales event, a colleague and I once coached 50 international presenters in over 30 presentations. The event was so successful that the next year the client brought us back to coach 108 presenters from keynotes to breakouts. What's your story? Trim the fat. Too many details lose the audience. Decide what's essential for them to know and what isn't. Do they need the whole recipe or just the brownie? Find the flaws in your business case. You know those awkward moments in ABC's Shark Tank where the sharks ask the presenters questions and seem to take them completely by surprise? How will you handle your audience's toughest questions? And just as important, what questions should you be asking them? Ask for action. What specifically do you want your audience to do with the information you're giving them? And is there something you can ask them to do specifically before they even leave the room? Final tip, connect. Having great content is one way to connect with your audience, but another way is to bring what makes you interesting and authentic and alive. In some presentations, it's not just the strength of your content, it's who you are and what you project that determines how influential you'll be. I hope you found these tips helpful. Wherever you are in the world, if you've got an important presentation, whether virtual or in person, let's work together to ensure that your listeners get it, they feel it, and act on it so that everybody wins.